Alright, so it finally stopped raining. I guess we got about 2 days of sun and then back to the rain. So I'm going to take advantage of that. I'm going to head up to the mower shop now and grab some oil, grab new filters, probably some spark plugs, and then change them. And I got to jump the mower, the battery's dead, or charge the battery, then get it out, and then wash the trailer, get the truck clean, and take the salter off. So I've got a busy day. Another 20 minutes till I get to the mower place, and then get back home and get all that started. Alright, got all the oil, all the stuff we need. So I got to take the salter off in order to hook up to the trailer. So we'll get that all unstrapped and taken off, put it away, put in the garage. Hopefully I don't need it again until next year. That would be great. So I got the mower started. I haven't done that one yet, but that's only the walk behind. That should start. Ended up being on the Toro. I don't know. Somehow it was vapor locked or something was in the gas line in between the tank and the engine, or the tank and the filter. So I took it off, blew down into it. You could hear the bubbles in the tank, and fuel started squirting back at me. Put it on the filter. Started right up. I don't know, maybe just from sitting, temperature changed, but it works. So we're all washed up. Good to go. Now we just need the ground to dry up a little bit, and we're off.